Hi, welcome to my channel Equity Pulse. This is Manjuna Shivappa. Please join my Telegram channel. In that I will be providing free intraday calls in live market with proper entry, exit and stop losses. Also please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all notifications. We're going to check what are the best stocks to trade for tomorrow and what is the logic behind in that. Before that we'll check for yesterday's video. We gave few stocks to trade for today, and let's check how it was performed today. First we gave TCS to buy above 3210 with a stop loss of 3195. The targets are 3225 and 3240. Today it's made a high as 3224.95, nearly 3225. It's a first target hit. We gave Exide India to sell below the 177, but it's not given opportunity for sell side. For Hero MotoCorp, we asked to sell below 2835 and it's made a low as 2805, nearly 29 points. And we asked to buy Jubilant Food by above 3073, but it's opened gap up nearly 100 points and it went 3513 level. And also a few calls we given in our Telegram channel in live market. We'll check that also. First we gave Cholafin to sell below 490 with a stop loss of 495. Targets is 5 to 8 points. It's made a low as 487.50 with a 2.5 profit, and in last buying pressure happened and it's went upside. Next stock is Tata Chemical. We asked to sell below 762 with stop loss of 767. It's made a low as 757.40, nearly 4.6 points and almost near the first target. And next stock is NAM India. We asked to sell below 399 with a stop loss of 403. Previously it was done 396.05 and it hit our SL. Stock is Sun TV. We asked to sell below 55533 with a stop loss of 536 and the target is 3 to 5 points. It's made a low of 530.50, 2.5 points down from our entry level. Next stock is Marico. We asked to sell below 530 with a stop loss of 533. Targets are 3 to 5 points. I made a low of 525. Both are targets hit. Now we are going to check what are the best stocks for tomorrow. The first stock is HDFC. HDFC currently it was in support area and today it's bounced back to upside moment. Tomorrow also we can see upside moment. We can buy about 2493 with a stop loss of 2482. The targets are 2504 and 2515. Today it's completely in range bound. Tomorrow we can expect some of movement. The next stock is Voltas. After reaching the support level, now it's showing the up movement. It's creating format. Tomorrow we can go for buy side for Voltas. The buy above 1051 with stop loss 1045. Targets are 1057 and 1063. This stock is also completely range bound. Once it's break the range bound, it can move upside. The next stock is Aura Pharma. Currently it was in trend line support, and we can expect some up movement in coming session, because continuously 3 to 4 days it was in current level only. Tomorrow we can expect upside movement. We can buy above 974 with a stop loss of 968. The targets are 980 and 986. Even this stock is also completely in range bound. Once it is break, it can move further upside. The next stock is Apollo Tyre. After a downtrend near the support area today, we can see some buying pressure. Tomorrow we can buy Apollo Tyre. We can buy about 227 with a stop loss of 225. The targets are 229 and 231.